Welcome to another Learning on Janux video. Real quick, I wanted to go over some of the new functionality in the updated version of the Janux iPad app. In the application, I'm going to select a course, and then down here where the discussions pane is, I'm going to navigate there. And in the forum, what you can do now is you can actually interact with this directly on the iPad. So I can add a new forum piece, add some kind of title, tag it as it is appropriate, and then also add some text to this. And then when I post it, it'll look exactly like one of these. So you can go and look and see what other people have said and add your own comments. Now, to reply to someone else, if you actually tap on their forum thread, you get the reply button, which you can tap, and then you can go out and type a message to them as well. So once you're done with that, you can hit done and it will save, but I'm going to hit cancel. Now I will mention that in the forum you can create your discussions, but in things like the announcements, that right is reserved for the instructor. So here I cannot, that's icon is grayed out, and I cannot actually add a discussion to this forum here, but I can go in and make comments. So if I tap on this and then bring up the reply button, then I can go in and interact with these pieces of content as well. Alright, so that is discussions. The other thing I wanted to talk about was some of the new note-taking features. So I'm going to quickly pull up some content, and what you can do now is you'll notice this icon. If you bring it down over the content, so just drag it to the piece of content you want to make a note on, you're prompted with this new note here for this discussion. So you can make that public or private. You can add people, so I can type in something like my contacts and add my contacts to this, or I can add some other people. But what you can do is go in and just title this, and then add your text, and then you'll have a new note directly in this piece of content. The other way you can do this too is if you actually select a word, so do a long tap on a word, you can actually do a note which brings up this same window, and you can do that. The other thing though is if you run across a word that you may or may not know, you can define it right here. And there's no definition, so I'm going to hit manage and go to the dictionary that I want because I need to download this actually. And it's actually pretty quick to download and install. But the other thing you can do is you can search the web, which actually initiates a Google search. So if it's something not even in the dictionary, you can just jump into Google. But I'm going to reselect that word and say define. And it looks like my dictionary is installed, so now I have a definition immediately within this app, which I can now utilize while learning. So that's pretty cool. But the other thing I want to mention is that was in a text document, but if I click on this transcript button for the video, I still have the option to go up here and drag a comment to a section of the content here. And I can, again, add people or do whatever I need to. The other thing you can do, though, too, is you can actually go in and make those definitions directly with the transcript of anything that's said in a video. So, again, if anything's mentioned that you may not be familiar with, you can immediately find answers that you need for it. All right. Well, that was just a short video over some of the new functionality with the Janux iPad app. If you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, leave a comment, favorite this video, like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.